Hey guys, it's your boy aka Nate, aka Cleese here back again. If you didn't know who I am, today we're here looking at my friend Dangerous's house. So, I got so here we're voicing at my friend's Dangerous's house. I really love the modern feel of his house. I really love how he has the doors like that. Really love that. The first thing I love is this. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So I love the way he used. So I love the way my friend used the glass here, and just amazing how he used the glass, and it's just amazing. Like seriously, guys, how he used the glass and anything, it's just amazing. Love how you use the stone wall. Alright. Up here we got the kitchen, the bookshelves. I'm gonna put those bookshelves in my kitchen. Again, this is really nice. I love how the stone, and I love the way, I just love it. The cabinets here are amazing. I mean, it really is just amazing, guys. It really is amazing, guys. It's amazing. I love this. I might use this for my house, guys. The cabinets and stuff. So, and I love the pillars things here. I love the pillars. I don't know how he did this. I really don't know, but man, it's amazing, guys. Like seeing how he did this is just amazing. I have no idea how he built this. I wish I knew, because I would try to do it too. This is amazing, guys. Do you guys see this? This is just... I'm just in awe right now, guys. This is amazing. Again, I love how my friend used the glass to really like give that modern feel to the house. I really love that. I love how it's just so cool. Like all the rooms, what he did is just, it's just so cool and such a modern feel. And I want to do that with my house. It's not as good as this, but I want to do that more modern brick style type thing going on. I really want to do that with my house, and with them long windows. You know, really do that, guys. Really experiment with the pillars. Use cabinets. He said he just used cabinets. What we are standing on right now. Dang, guys, this is amazing. I love the kitchen. I really do. Easy down a little bit. Amazing. And again, I love the bookshelves. Again, I'm floored by how amazing this house is. I really am. His car dishwasher and dryer. I freaking love it, guys. With it being I just love it. He had 3 cars. This guy's rich. This guy had 3 cars. Like, seriously, guys, this is amazing. I love it. Let's go ahead on upstairs. Oh my god, hold up. He has this here? Bro, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I probably wouldn't put this here. But he does what he wants to do. It's his house. But again, probably wouldn't put a computer here. It's just not a good spot, but that's okay. Go up here. I love the glass. I love that. I gotta figure out how to do that. Again, this is helping me ideas for my house. Right, when I'm doing my upstairs floors, how I want it to look. Right? I do have a certain way I want it to look. You know? I do have a certain way I want it to look and everything. And this is how you're giving me ideas. I love this bathroom though. This is really giving me ideas for what I want the bathroom to be like. And I want to have walls like this is just amazing. And have a desk like this where you have your papers and sit there and do stuff. And have a balcony. Yeah, I gotta put a balcony in my house. I gotta figure out a way to put a balcony in my house, guys. Like, no joke. I gotta do it. Don't know how we did it, but we put a balcony on this house. It's amazing. I just love this. I love the stone and the colors he used. I mean, this bed is awesome. I mean, boom. I mean, like, it's. I want to use a shower real quick, bro, if you don't mind. It's kind of like, gotta get the hygiene under control. My character here. I'm so sorry, man. I'm gonna show my house. Can we use the card, man? So here's my house I'm working on. don't really want a circle house, but I can. I don't really want a circle house. He's giving me. He's giving me some pointers right now. I mean, he can build a house better than I can, so I'm gonna listen to him. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing my tour. I will be making it smaller. This house is a work in progress. It's a temporary show house. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, drop a like, comment, and share. Let me know what you guys think. Any pointers you want to give. This is technically just a showroom house of what's gonna have. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Peace. All right. Right before the video ends, I just video the film video I just did with my friend. I did some of the things he suggested. I made the house smaller, so it's not as big in here. Here we have the kitchen right here. Good old fireplace. I'm probably gonna move the fireplace. Have a computer room. Have like a marker where you can sit and read books. But the whole thing is the house is a little smaller, which is a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing in terms of, yes, it looks a little bit better. I like it personally a little bit better. Only downside is the value of the house goes down. It was 85 to 87,000. It's 78,000 worth, but that's okay. It's a lot. You know, a lot. Right. Again, the windows here are not permanent. They're temporary because I couldn't find anything good for this house. Here's the inside tour. You got here. You got your stuff here. So this is going good and strong. Here you got the what's going to be the kitchen. I'm gonna have the cabinets here and everything. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be lit. Over here we're gonna have a sitting area and stuff like that. Over here, cool lights like a party room or something like that. Head up here. We're gonna have a bunch of bathrooms out here and everything here, right? So this is gonna. I can't sit there and let that go. I'm sorry, guys. It's just a little mistake in the I made. I didn't realize until just now. I have to fix it. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. There we go. Well, it's fixed. Alright, so for example, let's go ahead and do this. I will admit I am getting better at this game in terms of building houses. My last house builds were basically my last house builds, oh my gosh, compared to this one were, oh my gosh, are pretty bad. Are you Just sell some trees. Oh, 105 bucks. I know. I said if I went down after that. I know. But we're getting it. Alright, so again, this is gonna be a bedroom right here. Actually, you know what? I know how to make this. Bedroom. Have a bed. So what we'll do, the vision is have the door here, have the bed be here at the desk there. Okay. And for next, I want to create the bathroom. I have a shower right here, a sink and stuff there. It's actually made a little bit bigger now that I think about it. Now that I actually think about it, I want to make the bathroom just a little bit bigger, just in case. Alright, so this be the bathroom. You got boom, shower, bathtub, all of this is there. Alright, over here though, it's going to be a special room. So this room, I can't do it. Okay. To give you guys a gist, this is gonna be the bedroom, the master bedroom, bathroom, the whole house, music room / tech room, right? So this is gonna be the tech room over here. You got the music and the technology all in one, right? And there you go. Again, guys, I know it's not perfect. If you guys any other pointers on but if you guys have any pointers on better windows I could use, as well as what I should put in this area here, besides what I should put in front of the fireplace, I'm all ears. Please let me know, guys. This house is a work in progress. It's coming along, but we still have a long ways to go before we get to the end goal, the end game. I'm still working on my garage, but yeah, house value is 78,000 still. But oh, I forgot to show off the balcony of the place, the balcony. I can't. There's no door to it. We're gonna put a temporary door in. Again, this is not the door I'm gonna actually use. It's gonna be temporary only, just to serve a purpose for me to show you guys. A lot of stuff in the house, like the door is staying, the wall trim is staying. The windows that are in place right now for this house are not gonna stick. Just temporary, till we can find a better option. The stairs are not changing, obviously. The size of the bathroom may change a little bit. I may have it come inner. This is gonna have a shower. This is gonna have like a sink here, right here, a sink, a toilet, and like a shower here, maybe a bathtub over here. So I might shorten this and give it more room for something else. So yeah. And over here, the bed is gonna be right here. Like my friend had it in his house. And I'm gonna have the table either right here. So I might actually move the balcony door over a bit to make room for the table. But hold on, let me go ahead and get in there. Again, a lot of this stuff is work in progress. I'm not the most talented house builder in this game. Trust me, guys. I have a long ways to go to get as good as my friend's as my friend Dangerous. You guys saw his house. It was amazing. I cannot build anything like that right now. My skill level in this game is nowhere near it. I don't play the game that much, so obviously my building skill levels are nowhere near his. But honestly, to be completely honest with you, this is my first time ever. This is my first time ever in a build in this game, adding a balcony in a house. Honestly, out of all the builds I've ever done at any house in this game ever before this one, we're all nowhere as good as this. I think this is a solid build, honestly. Even got a pool in the back, and I got separate garage. It's a solid build. I think it's solid. I think that yes, it still needs a lot of work. I understand that, but hey, you only get better in life from doing something by just keep doing it. Like you keep doing it. You know, ask people. Actually ask people. Look at them. Ways you can improve. You know what I mean? It's always important. Look at ways you can improve. Again, look at those ways how you can improve. That's very important. Always do that, guys. Again, if you guys have any suggestions for me as to how I can improve, if you guys have any suggestions of what better windows I can use for this house, any other suggestions, please do not ask me to make the house smaller or I'm gonna build a house in a different account. Basically, if you guys want to suggest things like make the house even smaller, completely redo it, I do have a second profile in this game and I'm rebuilding a house from the ground up in that house. So if you guys have any suggestions you want me to put, if you have any suggestions like that, please put it in there so I can use it for my other house. But if you have any other suggestions besides that for what I can use to apply to this house, again, I took my friend Dangerous's suggestion too hard. Obviously, he said that, you know, doesn't want to make it all square because that's boring, and it's like, you know. So I kind of make a curve. I made it a little bit curvy here. It's curving around like that with the balcony. So I hope you guys like it. I like it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. You know, heck, I may add pillars or something. I may add pillars. See, I can add the pillars my friend added. Maybe. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, drop a like, comment. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Leave a like, thumbs up, appreciate it, and comment. Let me know what you guys think.
Been friends since 1995.